Ever wonder who keeps the world's biggest companies running smoothly? Behind the banks, stores, and car makers there's a tech powerhouse, Tata Consultancy Services, or TCS. TCS is one of the world's largest technology and business solutions companies. They help businesses use technology smarter, improving operations, creating new products, and serving customers better. Think of TCS as the master mechanic for the business world. When companies face complex problems, like building a new app or adopting artificial intelligence, they call TCS. TCS doesn't just sell software, they build custom solutions for each client's unique needs. For decades, TCS has quietly shaped the global economy, guiding organizations through waves of technological change. From the rise of the internet to today's AI revolution, TCS has been a trusted guide. Their work creates jobs, boosts efficiency, and even makes our lives easier. TCS is a cornerstone of technological progress, connecting the potential of technology with real-world needs. They bridge the gap between brilliant ideas and working reality. And now they're building a new kind of bridge, one that leads to a future filled with intelligent machines. These machines don't just process data, they see, think, and help us in the physical world. Welcome to the world of TCS, where the future is being built behind the scenes. Picture a place where the future is built, a bright modern lab packed with cutting-edge tech. That's the Gemini Experience Center, just opened by TCS in Troy, Michigan. It's not just another office, it's a hub for inventing new ways to use artificial intelligence in manufacturing. Here, engineers and scientists create the next generation of smart technology for factories. The center's mission helps manufacturers use AI to make factories safer, more efficient, and more productive. Business leaders can see these technologies in action, watching robots and AI systems solve real problems. Michigan, the heart of American manufacturing, is the perfect location for this innovation hub. Companies visit with challenges, like safety inspections or quality checks, and leave with hands-on solutions. The Gemini Experience Center is a demonstration kitchen for high-tech recipes, where ideas become reality. It's a place to learn, experiment, and build confidence in AI before bringing it to the factory floor. Here, the future of manufacturing is not just imagined, it's demonstrated. You've heard of AI in your phone or computer, but what about physical AI? Physical AI means giving artificial intelligence a body, a robot that can move and interact with the real world. Imagine combining the brains of AI with the body of a robot. These aren't simple machines. They're advanced robots with sensors, cameras, and powerful processors. They can see, hear, and feel their environment, making smart decisions on their own. Physical AI lets robots work alongside humans, especially in tough or dangerous places. Picture a robot navigating a noisy factory or inspecting hard-to-reach equipment. These robots aren't here to replace people. They're partners, handling risky or tedious tasks. With sensors as eyes and AI as brains, they adapt, identify problems, and report back. Physical AI is revolutionizing how we work in the physical world, especially in factories. It's the next leap in robotics, machines that truly understand and interact with their surroundings. One of the most powerful uses of physical AI is safety. Imagine a robotic dog patrolling a factory 24/7, equipped with cameras and sensors. It checks if workers wear proper safety gear and sends gentle reminders, no boss needed. These robots detect hazards humans might miss, gas leaks, overheating equipment, or unusual vibrations. They can enter dangerous areas, stream live video, and gather data from a safe distance. By catching problems early, they prevent accidents and protect lives. Robots as first responders are changing industrial safety forever. The result? Safer factories and peace of mind for everyone inside. Physical AI robots are transforming quality inspection in manufacturing. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and AI, they scan products in seconds, spotting flaws invisible to the human eye. Robots never tire or get distracted. They deliver precise, consistent inspections every time. Faulty parts are flagged instantly, reducing waste and improving quality. These systems also collect data on recurring defects, helping engineers fix problems at the source. The result: smarter processes, fewer mistakes, and happier customers. Robots with supervision catch microscopic cracks and subtle color changes. They don't just find flaws, they help prevent them. Quality goes up, waste goes down, and factories run smoother than ever. That's the power of AI-driven inspection. So, how do these robots work? It's all about three things: smart sensors, artificial intelligence, and the cloud. Sensors are the robot's senses. Cameras, microphones, thermal imagers, and LiDAR gather data non-stop. The AI brain processes this data instantly, identifying safety risks or product flaws on the spot. This is called edge intelligence. Thinking happens right on the robot. But robots aren't alone. The cloud acts as a shared brain, storing and analyzing massive amounts of data. Robots send important info, like safety alerts or inspection results, to the cloud for managers to review anywhere. The cloud also orchestrates fleets of robots, assigning tasks and sharing new knowledge across the network. If one robot learns a better way to navigate, all robots benefit. This blend of local smarts and cloud power makes physical AI revolutionary. It's not magic, it's the future of intelligent machines. Robots learn, adapt, and work together, making factories safer and smarter. That's how TCS is changing the game. Building advanced physical AI takes teamwork. That's why TCS partnered with Google Cloud, a leader in AI and cloud technology. TCS brings deep industry knowledge. Google Cloud brings world-class AI and secure infrastructure. Google's Gemini AI models power the brains of these robots, enabling them to understand complex scenes and make smart decisions. The cloud stores and processes the massive data robots generate, making it accessible and actionable. Manufacturers can manage hundreds of robots across multiple sites, all from one platform. This partnership delivers customized solutions, blending TCS's expertise with Google's cutting-edge tech. Together, they help manufacturers become more autonomous and data-driven. The result? Smarter factories, faster insights, and a future built on collaboration. TCS and Google Cloud are making the intelligent factory a reality. The Gemini Experience Center in Michigan is part of a global network of TCS innovation hubs. With centers in India, New York, Riyadh, Singapore, and Brazil, TCS connects experts and ideas worldwide. Each center focuses on local industry needs, creating a diverse ecosystem of innovation. The Michigan Center adds manufacturing expertise to this global team. Through the PACE Innovation Network, TCS brings together experts, customers, startups, and researchers to solve problems faster. A challenge in Michigan might be solved with help from Bangalore or New York. TCS plans to expand to 13 centers by 2026, accelerating AI-driven progress everywhere. For manufacturers, this means access to a global brain trust, solutions from around the world delivered locally. We're entering a new industrial revolution, powered by AI and data. The TCS Gemini Experience Center shows what's possible factories that are not just automated, but intelligent. Physical AI robots handle dangerous and repetitive jobs, freeing people for creative, strategic work. Tomorrow's factory worker might manage robot fleets or analyze data, not just run machines. Intelligent factories adapt quickly, respond to changes, and deliver better products. This agility makes companies more competitive and economies stronger. The vision humans and intelligent robots working side by side, each doing what they do best. Robots patrol, inspect, and warn of dangers, while people guide and innovate. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, in Michigan and around the world. Thanks to TCS and its partners, the factory of tomorrow is being built today.